in defender, in the right. I have a lot of good players, but for me, now we have a lot of Brazilians in the world. But I love him is Brazilian defender, Mozart, and for me the best is Aldair. Aldair is World Cup champion, 94, and left defender Paulo Maldini, and left back. I love Roberto Carlos, but for me, Marcelo from Madrid is one of the best, my friend. Manuel Neuer, Rafinha, Aldair, Maldini, Marcelo. Number 5, Dunga. Dunga is Brazilian player, captain in 94. I play 4-3-3, okay? Dunga in the right. Ronaldinho in the right. In the left, I can play Dunga Pedro, Ronaldinho.
我这个问题让他思考很久。
Ronaldinho, and here with Ronaldinho, I played I let Messi here with Ronaldinho. Dunga, Ronaldinho, Messi. In the left side, Frank Ribéry. In the right side, Arjen Robben. In attack, he keeps a lot. Lewandowski, Romario, Pizarro, I love him. But Ronaldo, Brazilian Ronaldo, not Cristiano Ronaldo, R9. This is my Manuel Neuer, Rafinha, Aldair, Paulo Maldini, Marcelo, Dunga, Ronaldinho, Messi, Ribéry, Robben, and Ronaldo. Wait. And the most important, the coach, Pep Guardiola.
最佳教练，他也带领当时的拜仁成功获得3冠王。好，还有没有？我倒数3秒好了，因为太多人了。好，谁最快好不好？3、2、1。好，我看到了这个蓝色的这个小球迷，这个动作很快，来。球迷可能觉得说，进攻的球员比较多镜头啊，大家比较认识啊。那为什么这个班尼亚他担任后卫的变成了传奇球星？这个是个不错的问题。
Before I was number 10. When I was 12 years, 10 years, I played in number 10, like in midfield, like Toni Kroos. But one coach for me in 2002, he said for me, Rafinha, you are not so big, you are not strong. I see you in the right back. I say for him, hey coach, please, right back. No, right back. I'm not so close to goal because to score. I am far too close to score. He say, okay, but if you want like a professional player, you need to go to right back. Heard me? I think this is I was right back in the past, and for me, I see you in right back. I'll say okay. I try and I play one time, and after I play just right back. So like 23 years professional soccer, football player in the right back. But in Bayern Munich, I play right back, in left back, in defense, in midfield. I play everyone in defense. But I'm